Hey everyone, welcome to Codemaster Lab. Today we are diving into CodeIgniter 4, one of the most popular PHP framework for building fast, secure and scalable web application. Whether you are a beginner or an expert developer, this video will give you a solid overview of what CodeIgniter 4 is all about. Let's get started. CodeIgniter 4 is the latest version of CodeIgniter PHP framework. Released in Feb 2020, it's designed to make web development faster and easier to provide a lightweighted and powerful toolkit. One of the outstanding features of CodeIgniter is MVC architecture. That's Model View Controller. This separates your application logic, presentation and data layers, making your code cleaner and more maintainable. CodeIgniter 4 is also known for its simplicity and performance, making it a great choice for small to medium-sized projects. Plus, it's packed with features like built-in security tools, flexible routing, cross-site forgery attacks, CSRF, and support for multiple databases. Let's talk about some key features that makes CodeIgniter 4 outstanding. MVC architecture is the first one, which keeps your code organized. It's lightweighted. Unlike some other frameworks, CodeIgniter doesn't bloat your project with unnecessary features. When it comes to security, it has built-in tools for XSS filtering, CSRF protection and more, so you can build secure applications right out of the blocks. Next will be your performance. CodeIgniter is optimized for speed, ensuring your applications run smoothly. CLI tools, it includes a command line interface for the developers, making tasks like database migration and testing a breeze. Flexible routing. Now you can easily customize your URLs to create clean and SEO friendly routes. Database support, whether you are using MySQL, PostgreSQL or SQLite, CodeIgniter has you covered everything. Now let's walk through the installation process. I will not show you completely right now in this video, since it is a basic intro of CodeIgniter. You need to have a PHP version which is 7.4 or higher and a composer installed. Composer is again optional. If you have a composer, you can open your terminal and run the command as composer space create project CodeIgniter 4/app starter project name. You can give it out. This will download and set up a CodeIgniter 4 in a new folder called project name. Okay. Next, navigate to your project folder and open .env file. This is where you will configure your environmental settings like database connections, your base URL, others. Finally, if you want to start your development, you can use PHP Spark Serve. It will open your project. You can browse through your browser and that's it. If you are curious about the folder structure, here is a quick breakdown. The app folder contains your application code. The public folder is where you will have your front controller and assets live. Systems folder holds the framework core files. And the writable folder is used for logs, caches, session data, and also you can upload the user data in this. Now if I talk about why should we use CodeIgniter 4, well, if you are looking for a framework that's easy to learn and quick to set up, CodeIgniter is a great choice. It's perfect for small to medium sized project, and it is also great tool for prototyping or building RESTful APIs. Another big advantage is its documentation. CodeIgniter has some of the best documentation out there, making it easy for developers of all the levels to get started. And let's not forget its community. CodeIgniter has strong and supportive communities, so if you ever run into issue, they always help available. To wrap it up, CodeIgniter 4 is a powerful, lightweight, and developer-friendly PHP framework that's perfect for building modern web applications. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned developer, it's definitely worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tutorials and tech content. If you have any questions or thoughts about CodeIgniter 4, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.